If you are looking for something to do, something to say, either on stage or off, thank people, show gratitude, show appreciation. That never gets old, that never goes out of style. So, if you have a moment on stage, let's say you have to kill some time, someone isn't ready, or there's been some incident backstage, and take that moment to just acknowledge all the people in the room. Thank the hotel staff, the wait staff, the technical team, the event teams. Have them stand, round of applause. Thank people for being there. Talk about how beautiful the room setup is. Wow, this hotel is fantastic. What a great event that was last night. Thank you so much. This is incredible. Just kind of keep pumping out those positive vibes, that positive energy. As speakers, I think it's important to acknowledge the total team effort it takes when you're on stage. Because yes, you're the one on stage, you're the one in the spotlight with the microphone on. But if you've ever been to these events, you go backstage and you see a team of people, 20, 30, 40 people, tech-wise, making these large events happen. And they're behind the scenes. They oftentimes don't get that credit. So turn the spotlight on them. Thank them publicly from the stage.